From now onwards, whenever you go to market with your parents, you should try to figure out what is the weight of the said groceries or the said items. Whatever you buy, on one side they will keep the item. Just follow that. On one side they will keep the item. It may be a cucumber, it may be a cabbage, and on another side you can see here there is a weight over here. This is the standard weight, and this may be a 200-gram weight, and this 200-gram is standard weights. These are standard weights which I have discussed earlier also. Is that standard means wherever you go, that 200-gram, whatever be the weight, 1 kg, 500-gram, these will be same across geographies. You may be in Paris, you may be in Mumbai, you may be in Kolkata. These weights will remain same across. That means 200-gram in Mumbai, the weight of 200-gram is in Mumbai will be same as that of weight of 200-gram in Kolkata. This is what I mean to say, and this is what we mean when we say standard. So this is one type of balance. This is one type of balance where we have got two pans on two sides, and we try to balance these two sides. So this is one type of balance. At this point of time, I would like to tell you that till now you have seen balances which have got two pans. Now we have got one more type of balance which has got one pan. You can see over here we have got two figures. This is figure 1, and this one is figure 2. So both has got one pan. Here you can see there is a pan over here, and there is a scale attached to it. SCL, scale over here, and that scale measures from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can measure up to 5 kg. So what we do over here is that we put our items on the pan, and this scale, what you see over here, this red colored pointer will move over the scale. Suppose you put a pumpkin, again we put a pumpkin over here, and suppose it measures 2 kg. So this red color pointer will move from this 0 position to the position of 2 kg. Here you see it's 2 kg. It will move to slide to 2 kg. So like this we can also use such type of scale with one pointer and a scale and one pan. Now another variation of this particular weighing scale with one pan is this one. Now this is analog pan. Analog means you have to count the number of points this scale has moved, whereas on my right hand side we have got digital weighing scale. And digital weighing scale, these all are examples of weighing scales. That means these are used to measure weights. So this second one is digital weighing scale. This is, so here also you have got one pan or one place where you will put the item. Here we have put one weight on the scale, and the scale measures 20 grams, and the scale measures 20 grams. So here the measurement is explicitly displayed on the scale. You need not to see the movement of any particular pointer like the analog scale. Here the weight will be mentioned on the digital display panel. So these are all the types of scales that you will see in markets and also in your questions. So you should be able to recognize such type of scales while solving questions and while also doing your practical day-to-day courses like going to the market and buying something. So you have seen scales, weighing scale with one pans and weighing scale with two pans, where we put our items on one pan, and we put our standard weights available in the market, and these are standard across geography, across time. So these are the weights which are put on the other pan so as to balance pan A and pan B. When these two pans A and B are at the same level, at the same level, we can say that we can figure out the weight of the items on one of the pans. So this is what you learn from this particular class, that there are weighing scales, there are standard weighing scales, and there are standard weights. And the most important thing that you should remember that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. There are many questions in various olympiads related to this where you should be able to know this particular relation. Thank you.